Look at the panther as she stalks her prey. She sees the enemy. She will now come down. Oh God, she's coming! Oh, back up a stuffed man in the van! Oh my God, she's coming! Where'd she go? She's gonna pass. Oh! Oh! Oh man, I got so scared because it was so ugly. Hang on. Where'd it go? God, it's gonna jump on us. Where'd it go? Oh! Oh! Where'd it go? I don't know. Oh my gosh, it's a platypus. Oh crikey, mate! Run, there it is! Crikey! I'm so scared. You can't even see it, can you? It's too dark. It's gonna kill us all, crikey. Look at that. That's one of the rarest, ugliest, beastliest animals you can find. Also, there is one other of her kind. It's called Colty. See how she drinks beer? Alright, back to the animal. Where is it? We cannot find it. We have to stay on guard. It can bounce at us at any moment.
Oh, there she is.
And the idiot strikes your prey.
Okay. Let's see. This is one I'm gonna play for.
Where'd you go? Oh no! Get it. Look at it. I'm gonna approach it very slowly and kind so it does not kill you. Not right now, ugly beast.
Shut up.
Come here. Alright, come here. It's very, very independent animal. One of the rarest in the Freeport, Illinois district area.
Ow.
And look how the retard hurt herself.
Shut up.
Move along. Now, this is one of the rarest animals to track down. This is like finding Bigfoot. Which by happens, I have big feet. Alright, now, it's gone. Just like her brain. Goodbye.
Never even had one.